Hi folks, this is Tony at TravelScoot again. Today I'm going to demonstrate the use of the cylindrical seat spacers that come with every TravelScoot. The use of these things is pretty simple. As you can see here, this is the TravelScoot seat installed on the yoke. It's raised to its highest position. As you can see, this is what we recommend, that you have it no higher than flush with the base of the yoke. If you have it higher than that, it becomes unstable. So it's very simple to gauge the height by installing these seat spacers. They are 2.5 inches sum total, and they allow you to release the seat clamp to swivel the seat and still keep the seat elevated to the full height. You can use one, the other, or both. This would be, for example, 1 inch, and you can keep it at that height without the seat sinking down to its lowest setting, like that, if you prefer not to have it that way. Any questions? Feel free to always give us a call at 800-342-2214. Thanks for watching and happy scooting.